What's up, YouTube? We are at Red Lobster. I got me Zachary. Get out of my video. That's not solid.
That was really rude.
This is Kayla. She wants to be in the video so bad. I'll just show her.
I don't want to be in the video.
This is my mom. I'm buying their food today. I'm being a big boss. I can't even position this outside or whatever. How'd y'all Christmases go? Leave a comment down below. Are you serious? You gotta do it.
You know what? As y'all get older, y'all gonna look back at this and like, that was really silly.
Probably not. You
When we
get older.
Show the video of me.
Wait, never mind. We can show her some of it.
That's all y'all do. So
She just refilled her cheddar biscuits because we ate them all with fries. She only gave us 4 this time.
Does that make it taste better?
Mine's a little burnt, yeah. Yeah. It's more crispy.
Not a good batch. It makes it taste better. You can have the second one because that's my third one.
no.
This is my third one too. Look at us.
I have a tomato.
Now? Yeah, we're twins. You want to eat it with tomato?
I only came here for the cheddar biscuits.
We can leave now. We should have just sat down and act like we were still deciding what we were going to eat and then just feed us to the biscuits. Matter of fact, we don't want to eat here no more. We'll leave. Sorry to waste your time.
Cheddar biscuits.
Let me take some home.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Red Lobster. Happy birthday to you.
Now let's do the remix. Beep. No? Oh, I can't do that part.
You always got to take an extra step. We'll go over there and see.
You dare me?
I dare you.
No.
I'll give you $50.
No, you won't. That's all you got.
Yeah, I'll give you $50.
Yeah, she's too scared.
No,
She's a big She can't do that. My mom can never do anything spontaneous or out of the norm. She's too classy to do that.
You can't even fart in public.
But y'all shut up in this room. Let me smack you.
So yeah, basically for New Year's, I'm gonna sit there and get stuff together and get stuff right. So I'm trying to get $1 million. If y'all know ways for me to get $1 million, let me know.
You know they're just gonna watch you put your mouth full.
You know, we finally got our food. Crab legs, mashed potatoes, asparagus. Actually, I'm just gonna show.
Let me try these little.
This is her meal. She got a whole steak. I paid for it.
What?
Well, let me try one. I'm trying one of them. Did you bite it?
You can have an unbitten one. Get unbitten.
Is it nasty? Why you don't like
I
it?
mean, it tastes like shrimp right out the sea.
He said right out.
She said it tastes like shrimp right out the sea. Maybe you need a cocktail sauce.
I don't like the.
It does taste like that. I think so much.
Can I be a pest? May I be a pest?
Maybe.
Can I have another
Oh,
one?
did you have
Yes, ma'am.
No.
And it's
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
up for grabs.
You said what?
She said this is up for grabs. She don't want this.
Really?
No.
The texture is just so tough.
It's shrimp on it.
I can feel all their muscles and fibers. You can have it. I don't want it. I can't.
You want here?
I
Take some
told
of
you
these. Then.
I'm not a real seafood
Here,
person.
take this.
I'll
Take
stick
2
to-
of these.
I'll stick to it.
Take 2 of these. You didn't like these?
Alright, you can see a little bit.
No,
I'm gonna try
this first. If I'm hungry, then
You might go back.
Try to mess with her.
That's just watered down soup.
Yeah. Mashed potato soup. But I like it because it got mashed potatoes and it tastes good. She happy about her steak though.
fight for that food.
That other place that we went to, you know, the buffet? Something else.
What?
You know where we get endless stuff.
When we went to Myrtle.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
what
good.
about it?
Give me a piece.
You didn't like it? You didn't
I'm
like
paying
it?
for it.
No, I was saying it was good.
Oh, well, that's good.
Yeah.
Are you talking about that? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Look at like the background juice is good. Make you want to dance. And then she closed her eyes. What was that? Divine. You want a piece, Mom?
No,
You don't like steak?
not really.
But you like that nasty shrimp.
No, that shrimp is good though. Her.
My shrimp?
No, Mommy's
I
shrimp.
get from my shrimp. And she like it.
But she eating her shrimp right now. I was saying her
Oh,
shrimp.
yeah, no, I like it.
Her shrimp.
No, crab legs.
I haven't eaten one yet. Can't open it.
They didn't give you that little fork.
No, they forgot to.
Why'd you order us what is this? Broccoli.
I'm not going to eat it anyway.
I like broccoli. That's why I got started broccoli.
You want one of my asparagus? They're very good too.
Oh, I love
I like when
asparagus.
Daddy make it. Because he put the seasoning stuff on it to make it taste bomb. This one probably just tastes regular. Oh, go ahead. You can try another one. They only put salt on it. We got salt and pepper right here. I'll put pepper on it.
It's tender.
Yeah.
I don't need anything.
It's real good.
What does this make you think of?
Austin Powers.
Correct. He was eating it and he was peeing in the pool.
Remember?
He had to be there. Extra crispy. They don't believe in gravy? Stop it. It's good though. What is that? Is that good?
It's mashed potatoes. It's not really flavorful though. That's why we got salt and pepper. Everything is like not seasoned. Yeah. No. Yeah. This is a B minus. I'll give it a B minus. Kind of got a plus at
Kickback Jacks.
Kickback Jacks or Applebee's up there. I spent less money. Appetizers. Kind of tastes better than this. But you have to treat yourself every once in a while. So, not complaining. This one got stuff in it. I don't eat that stuff anyway. That's not the best part. Anybody want a leg?
One leg.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Yeah, not too pink. I don't like when they look extra
I
pink.
don't like when I can see the juice.
Ew, yeah. Remember Daddy got that?
Yeah, his was like, they just literally killed the cow in the back and they served it.
And he was eating it so like it was the best thing.
You want my
I just don't like the way it looks.
Just close your eyes. What? Your daddy never died.
It gives you more iron. I have just enough room for your dessert.
That's all she care about. Never mind, I can't eat this. It's getting to me. I see red.
Juice it.
Can't do it. They can't see him.
Ain't all that red.
It is red though.
Show me where the best part.
That's where the poop is.
Yeah. That's why we don't eat it.
Crabs, hey!
You know what?
This video. An hour?
No, for two. We haven't been eating that long.
Who wants to watch us eat?
I don't know.
You ever see that lady that be eating those crab fests? All she does, she has like potatoes and crab legs, and she just sits there and eats it, and that's it. That's all her whole video.
You watch that?
Oh, she talking about ASMRs.
Yeah, she always tell me something about those dumb letters.
I don't know what that means.
They
but-
eat the food, and you hear all the noise.
Yeah, but you be like, oh, this is good. Though.
Yeah, yeah,
I'm
that's
gonna
what
show
it
you
is.
one. Because it makes me laugh.
I
Yeah.
don't even know why I continue to watch it. That was the funny thing. All right, turn it off. That's okay. All right, that's enough. That's enough. I'm done. How many people watch this?
You done broke it.
I really just watched that.
Yeah. This tastes like fruit juice.
I like the coconut pineapple white sauce.
After my experience here, the best thing is the cheddar biscuits. I think I never want to come here again.
Shut up.
But overall, it was a good experience. So, Mickey? Arena? Renee? Renee?
All right, I'm done.
Ice cream cheesecake, you like
Oh, whatever.
What were the options?
ice cream, cheesecake, key lime pie.
Any chocolate,
I got chocolate cake.
She was just getting my dessert. That came up.
The
Oh, so there's more choices than just what that brownie thing was? Oh, well, then knock yourself out.
Wait, is there a menu?
Kelly, I think it's right here.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Kelly, you just saw
but
this.
it's $2.49.
You're so greedy.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
I'm done.
Which one you want to do?
Thank you.
Or this. I want some more ice cream. Or maybe that. But this kind of looks good, or this or that.
You want to try the cheesecake one?
I don't care.
I don't want anything.
It doesn't matter.
Can I get the brownie
Or-
overload?
We don't have brownies. We got everything else.
Then can we get the chocolate wave?
For here to go.
to go.
Thank you.
Hey, you guys have time.
Here we are.
Yeah.
Go sleep.